Good afternoon, it's me again, back at Peter's place. Let's have a catch up on how he's getting on with Fordson Dexta. As you can see, I've got no teeth in today, so I apologise for the way I'm speaking, but we'll have a little catch up and see how he gets on. So we're going to his shed now and see how we get on. Here we go. And we're back in Peter's shed. And Bob's here, but he doesn't want to be on camera. But he's doing the starter motor, I understand, don't you, Bob?
Yeah.
And what are we doing to it? We're
trying to make it work.
Trying to make it work. And the gearbox is all done and ready to be fitted?
Yeah.
And what have you done to the gearbox to make it work better?
Just clean it up, put some oil in it.
All right. A good clean up, brush over, and some oil. I see you got the little drill there. Unfortunately, they're not working on it today. Got Peter work. What are you working on? An easel?
Making some signs for the show down at Kent Showground on Saturday.
All right. What's on Saturday down the Kent Showground, Peter?
Heritage show.
All right. And you taking any of your tractors with you?
Yeah, there'll be a load of Ford and Fordson. It should ought to be 60 Fordson ends there.
Okay. And is it expensive to get in, or is it?
I don't know. Because we don't. We're exhibitors. We're part of the.
Oh, part of the show.
Part of the show, so we don't know what it is.
Okay. And the rear axle, you've cleaned it all up and painted it all up, ready to go back on.
Yeah.
Brakes all good?
No, I haven't done the brakes yet.
You haven't done the brakes yet?
No, I haven't done the
pieces.
Got all the pieces for the
Yeah.
brakes?
I've got them all stripped out, ready to.
Yeah. And what, we're putting new liners in the brakes, are we? And the levers all cleaned up and rods and everything, yeah. And the engine over here, what have we done to the engine? I see, Pete, you've done all your brackets.
Rebuilt the engine, had it rebored, and it's all been done.
And you got the clutch on now, I see.
Yeah, that's a light drive clutch.
Yeah, we spoke about that last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
And the little brackets you made. And it just needs a coat of paint, I understand, doesn't it?
That's
Well, I
it.
want to run it up first before we paint it.
Are you going to run it all up first, are you, Bob?
That's what I want to do.
Yeah. Reassemble it all.
Yeah, we've got to, I want to put it all together so that we can mount it all on the gearbox and then fire it up.
Yeah.
I don't want it tipping over when I'm trying to run it.
No. Is that the original starter motor for it, Bob?
No, I think it's a Fergie one.
Oh, we like Fergie.
You do?
Oh, we like Ferguson.
TDF one.
Oh, even better.
TDF fits Dexter.
Mine's all up and running now. So what's this bracket you put on in the back here?
That's for the
Tow
Oh, is it a homemade job or is it made to spec?
Oh no, that's all,
bar.
Oh, it's a bucket job, like, you know?
it's all kosher.
It is.
It's all kosher up here, mate.
No messing about,
No messing
Peter.
about up here. It's all kosher.
Budge it all up.
I can see your tools are all in the right place anyway.
Yeah, we were all tidy.
So when do we think it's going to be up and running and ready to test?
This year.
Well, we gathered this year. Up on the lawn for me to photograph. Well, I did talk about Peter about putting all your old majors on the lawn and in the sun when the sun's out and having a little chat, if that's possible. So is that a Ford gearbox? It's all Ford.
Oh,
Made in England?
yeah, they're taking the money.
All at Dagenham. You love your blues though, don't you, eh? I'll tell you a little story in a minute about one I saw the other day. Anyway, that brings to the end to the follow-up video. I shall come back and show you a bit more in the future. It's nice of Peter to show me around his tractor again. As I say, he's got many tractors, and hopefully we'll see him in the future. So thanks a lot, thanks for viewing, and see you again. Thanks ever so much. Cheerio.